Welcome. In front of me is a CUBOT King Kong Mini 2, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. And to get started, you will want to open up your standalone contacts application. From here, tap on those three bars and select Settings, where at the bottom you should find Import option. Click on it and then select SIM card. This will show you all the contacts that are on the SIM card. By default, they will all be selected. So if there is some contacts that you don't want, you can simply tap on them to deselect them. And additionally, if you already have some contacts that are deselected and also grayed out, so you cannot select them, that's completely fine. Those contacts already exist on your device, and the phone is simply trying to prevent you from creating duplicates. Anyway, once you have all your contacts selected that you want, click on the check mark right here, and this will import all the selected contacts. And once you go back, you should be able to see them right here. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.